Let me show you how I make this easy air fryer poached egg on toast when I want a quick breakfast. Take a small cup or ramekin and add a small amount of oil so the egg will not stick. Then add enough hot water to cover the egg once you crack it in. Then crack one egg into the hot water in the ramekin, making sure the yolk stays whole as it goes in. Next, take a slice of toast and spread 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise over both sides. I like using mayonnaise because it gives the bread a lovely golden crisp finish in the air fryer, and it is much easier to spread than cold butter. You can use butter instead if you prefer, and it will still turn out nicely toasted. Next, place the toast and the ramekin into the preheated air fryer basket. I love that they can cook together because it makes breakfast so much easier. And by the time the egg is ready, the toast should be warm, golden, and nicely crisp, as you will see in the minute. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes. Flip the toast after 5 minutes, then keep cooking until the bread is golden and crisp and the egg white is set while the yolk is still soft. Keep in mind that air fryers can cook at different speeds, and you may prefer your egg a little more well done. Check everything near the end and take the toast out earlier if it is already golden and crisp while the egg still needs more time. And that is it! A quick air fryer poached egg on toast with a crisp slice of bread and a soft egg on top. Perfect for an easy breakfast. Check out also my other easy air fryer recipes on my channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe because I have plenty more easy air fryer recipes coming.